Hi guys, and happy late National Lipstick Day. I just got my haul from Kylie Jenner, and I'm happy to show you some of the lipsticks, lip glosses, lip plumpers that I received, and share my opinions of them. I'm not promoting this brand specifically, but I do think it's a good brand. It has a lot of good products. It doesn't dry out my lips, and it has a lot of color selection. So let's get to it. I received as a gift this very nice pouch, really nice material to store all of my lipsticks. And previously I also had received this from the website. The beauty of ordering directly from the website, they often offer you some kind of gifts. So this is like a storage thing for your purse with a little mirror, and fits some lip liners, some lipsticks, so just perfectly. I found both of those helpful little pieces to improve my experience with the products. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start with more so moisturizing and easier colors, and then I'll get to more intense colors. So what I find about Kylie Jenner brand, of course everybody knows the infamous flip kit and the matte and kits, but she switched recently more so into moisturizing and kind of beige natural colors. It's probably the brand that has the most number of beige and very subtle colors that are perfect. They look naturally, they help sculpt your lips, make them visible and beautiful, and not requiring any lip injection. But it also works very well with modern makeup. You try to be natural with a little bit of something. So I also like the products that you can replenish on the go. So things like that help me refresh my makeup throughout the day, and also something that takes care of my lips, especially with in more intense colors. I do experience a lot of dryness. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna show you first the high gloss products. Kylie Jenner, I have two colors. So this is Damn Gina. It's one of their best sellers for that product. You can see it's kind of beige-esque pink, and it has a lot of sparkle and shine. You'll see it on my lips in a second. I do like sparkly, glittery glosses, very Y2K, very accentuating your lips without making them very bright. Take a look at this. Take a look at how it works. So very nice, kind of pink brown, really light, with a lot of glitter, and I really like it. So it doesn't have too much color, but it has this perfect little accentuation that you might need. And another item that I got in from the same kind of product line of high glosses is called Oh You Fancy. So this one is a little more transparent, and it does have a lot of glitter and a lot of shine. It will have a little less color than this one. It's gonna be kind of more transparent one. Let me show you how it looks. You can see that it's a little more transparent, but still has that little brownish quality to it, which is nice, I find, especially for summer. Feels really nice on the lips. It's not very sticky, and yeah, totally worth your attention. The next kind of family of products that I have are tinted balms, tinted butter balms. They are very nice on the lips, and they do moisturize your lips pretty well. I do have Angel Cake, which I don't know if you can see, a beige, light beige color, a light nude color. Then I got just recently this color called Pink Me Up at 8. That one is pinky, and I would say it's light and bright pink. And then I got Kylie, which is supposed to be whatever's called Kylie is what Kylie recommends herself, right? So this one is a little more mauve color. I'm gonna show you with this mauve color. It's a pretty, you know, subtle color, but it's really nice. It gives you that a little pop of color. Feels really nice on the lips, does moisturize them. If you like to add a little something something, there's always a lip liner that you can use to sculpt your lips and to accentuate them. So this is a lip liner called Kylie from the lip kit. I have it together with my matte lipstick over here. I think any of those tinted butter balms is gonna be a good addition to your lip collection because it's just the colors are subtle, they take care of your lips, they are not overpowering, they all have that beige quality to them. So that's what I like about them. Now let's try a couple more products. Let's continue with this lip shine lacquer. So this is, the color is called Feel Cute. It's kind of like a very middle of the ground pink. I do have a little bit of leftover sparkles from previous ones, but you can still see it's high shine. This one doesn't have any glitter. Very nice, kind of like darker pink, brownish, nudish color. This is supposed to be mauve. I think it's kind of pink with brown to me, like nudish. Very nice everyday item, not overpowering color. Looks good. I probably would expect something a lot more pinky from this, but still it works great. Alright. As said, Kylie Jenner is kind of like obsessed with this beige-esque beige color. I find it in every single lipstick and lip gloss that she adds that, which is fine. I mean, it makes lipsticks more versatile regardless of your complexion, to be honest with you. Now let's get to more hardcore stuff. Not really hardcore, but just like, this is gonna be a plumping gloss. So it's a gloss with lip plumper functions, and it is pretty shiny. It has a little bit of glitter, classic pink color. And let's see how that works. I've used a few you know, plumpers in the past. I do like them sometimes. And with this lip plumper, I can tell you it's somewhere in the middle. This color is called Moody Queen. It's somewhere in the middle. You can definitely feel the little tingling on your lips, but it's not too harsh or anything. It doesn't make you uncomfortable. It doesn't make you want to take it off or anything, which is nice. And it does plump your lips a little bit as you wear it. So you can see it's like pink beige once again. Everything I kind of got was in that same family, sort of. So yeah, if you want something more berry family, I think you should go with like darker colors. And this was supposed to be mauve. It's a little more, again, brownish pink, beige, nude. Super nice, super versatile, and yeah, totally can recommend it. Feels really good on my lips, actually. Alright, now let's try this plumping powder matte lip product. So this is a little darker, it's called Love Letters, and it is, you know, this matte packaging, which is a nice metaphor for the product capabilities. Let's see how it's gonna look on me. Let's see how it's gonna look on me. Really nice nude, again with a lot of brownish undertones, nudish undertones. It doesn't seem very dark, so this is something, yeah, that plumps your lips. A similar effect to the lip gloss, a very subtle tingling, not anything uncomfortable. Really like it, actually. Yeah, and again, you know, the lip kit and this helpful mirror. So this product is a little more pinkish in my view than the previous ones that are more brownish. looks really natural and really good, and can definitely replace those lip injections if you don't want to do them. My lips are like significantly bigger, especially with the lip liner. My lips are naturally not small, but this, I look like I just did something to my lips, make a little something something. Very nice. This probably is one of my favorites, along with the lip gloss with glitter that I started with. And now we're not done, because I'm gonna show you a couple more items. I have a few more items from the lip kits and a few more matte products that I have that I wanted to show you. Okay, so I have this one, which is really light, peachy nude. It's called Another Day, Another Nude. Let me actually swipe a little more of my lipstick. I hope you'll be able to see that it is lighter kind of family of lipsticks. You can see that it's peachy light, really nice. This looks great with like a bit of slightly darker lip liner. You can see my lips look huge, even though it's a very light lipstick. And what I would suggest here, so this is matte lip product that is more 8-hour wear, so it does dry lips a little bit. So I suggest you put something on, and what you can also do is sculpt your lips. Here I'm using a Morphe lip liner, just like this. You can sculpt your lips. This looks actually a little bit 90s, so you can make sure you blend the lip liner with a helpful little brush. So actually some of the lip liners have that adjust connected to included in the product on the other side. This one does not, but anyway, I think you get the idea. Very nice to accentuate your lips. Now let's take a look at the other two. I have Velvet liquid lipstick, and I have another matte one in Kylie, which is the color supposed to be the best, right? If Kylie recommends it. So I'll start with the I started with the Velvet one, which is called Charm, and it does have its own kind of lip liner. I have two lip liners. One is more pink and one is more brown here. So depending on what you prefer. Velvet is actually nice because it doesn't mattify your lips that much. Definitely a pinker shade, nice and mauve, and not as crazy matte. And I think shiny lips are more in trend right now. So you can see it's a little more mauve. It does have like a lot of brown in it too, just like all her lipsticks. That makes them look good on you, because regardless of complexion, you still win. And then let's try the pink lip liner, just like this. Really nice. Alright, and then last but not the least, let's try the Kylie matte lipstick. My lips went through a lot for you today, so have some compassion, please. This is supposed to be kind of like a darker color. Definitely pinkish. I would say it's like a darker version of the previous one. Pinkish, nice, and can always be accompanied by the lip liner, just to make sure your lips are nice and sculpted. The colors of those lip liners are really, really nice. They're not too dark, not too light, just perfect. That's why I like the lip kit so much. I hope you found this video helpful, and you'll find a lipstick of your preference. I hope you like this video and you'll find a good lipstick of your preference in this collection. Let me know which products sparked your interest most of all. Lip glosses, lip plumps, lipsticks, and which one was your favorite color. Maybe you have some other color that I don't have, and please share your experience using it. Thank you so much, and subscribe for more lip product reviews.